today I'm going to do the little notebook in the shape of a fruit, open fruit. And I'm going to show you the steps just for you to see how I did it. And yeah, here we go. First of all, we're going to take, I think it's 2 white papers. I took 2 just in case. But first of all, you draw a circle and cut it out. Now, we're going to take a couple white papers and we're just going to cut out the same size of the circle we just did before. So, if you want to, you can make them a little smaller just so like they fit better, or just like that if you want to. But I'm going to do them the same. Here are our papers that we cut them. So I only got 4, but I'm gonna do more, and this is just for you to show you. So we take one and we just fold them in half, right? Fold them in half, and then after you fold them in half, obviously, you can like because we're gonna mark like a little space right here, just to like have it straight, and that's it. So we should get it just like this. So you can see we have this space right here. It's like a flat like this, and then the rest there'll be more inside. So then it will be like maybe open like this. No, I mean like, you know, like this. There'll be more. Now that we all have them folded in, we are going to use the hot glue gun. So be careful, and we're just gonna put it right here so it stays put, and that's it. Now that we have the hot glue gun, be careful because it's hot, and it's hot. So right here we have this. So we're just gonna like put it in right like that. There we go. We do the same thing like this with an orange one or the color of your fruit, and we will do the same thing and put some inside to then glue it right here. I'm just sticking it here. It's hot, so be careful while you do this. You might get some string. So now we take I already cut it out, but just to like tell you what I did, you take a long piece of yellow paper. Well, I'm doing it yellow because I'm doing an orange, but different colors, different fruit you do, doesn't matter. Here you go, and you just fold it in. 4 the folds so that you have it 4 times. And then you just cut out the shape like of a little seed, something like that. You know when the oranges, you take out whatever you know. And so here they are. And this is for one side, so we will do, I will do it again for the other side. So now let's glue it. You can glue it with normal glue, I think I love right there. Normal glue or the glue gun, hot glue gun. And gluing the last one onto the side. So I put some in both sides because I think like on one side it's like front only. So this is one side, this is the other side, and I think that's gonna be it. Oh, and also I glued just the first page right here. I glued it here so then you would start writing here, and I have to do this in the same side. So you would take the last one, right? Well, the first one, and then you would just like take it, put some glue here, or on the paper, however you want, and then you would just stick it here, hold it tight, and then you would have your notebook. You can see that on this notebook, notebook, little like note paper, something like that. I did it. It's like it has like this center piece where like here you can see it's like open. You know, there's like literally nothing. So the thing of this is that you can do it. Actually, it's like if you keep putting some, you would have to make them smaller and smaller and smaller. I just think that it's cute like this. And also, a little thing that I saw, take a black marker or the color you want, whatever. I take black. And you take the color you want, and because I love making little faces on things and it's cute and stuff, I'm going to put a face on this little fellow here. So it's brown. I love kawaii things, so so as you see, kawaii things always have this like little mouth, this cute little mouth, and this looks great. Now, I hope you enjoyed watching me do this. So you don't have to put the face, but it doesn't look cute. I just want to put the face. You can do a watermelon, and you can do tons of other stuff. I just really like this one. I hope you liked it, and yeah, I hope you send more stuff to do of art.